Hey guys, it's me Aditya Rapsan and welcome back to my channel. So in today's video we're gonna make this wonderful CSS effect. So let's go to our VS Code. First of all, I'm gonna change the title to my channel name, that would be Younger Coding. Then I'm gonna link the CSS file. That name is style.css, as you can see. Okay, now we are gonna using the HTML one. First of all, I added a class of div, then I added a box of class in with div. This is our HTML. So let's move to our CSS. In CSS, universal selector, that would be margin 0, padding 0, and box sizing border box. In body, we're gonna use display flex to take it the center, justify content center, and align item center. And we're gonna use min height 200 base that keep our container deep in our the middle, and we're gonna use background this kind of hexadecimal value. So let's go live. As you can see, our DOM is looking like this. Let me minimize that. We're gonna use targeting the class, and we're gonna use position to relative. We're gonna use with 200% and gonna copy these 3 lines of code and gonna paste it in under the container class, that is mainly then we're gonna target the box class. Okay, it will be 600 pixels, and height also we're gonna use 400 pixels. Then we're gonna use background. For now it be white to see how it's looking. Then we're gonna use border radius to 8 pixels. Okay, that looks pretty cool. So let's change the background. We're gonna use linear gradient to 45 degree. First of all, we're gonna use 45 degree, then add a comma, then we're gonna use red color by 10%. Make sure to give an space. Then we're gonna use transparent also 10%. Okay, as you can see the result. Then we're gonna use again add a comma, then we're gonna use a transparent again, that would be 50%. Okay, so we're gonna make the X shape. So for that we're gonna doing this. Okay, then we're gonna use red color to that kind of 50%. Then we're gonna use again red color to 60%, then transparent also 60%. Okay, transparent also 60%. Then for the last one we're gonna use and comma and transparent, that would be 100%. Okay, that's looking like. So we're gonna copy. So let me full size the screen. So first of all, we're gonna copy this full linear gradient code. Then by adding after the brackets, adding the comma, we're gonna paste, and we're gonna change the degree to 135. Let's rotate fully. Then we're gonna change the value of this red color, that would be kinda darker than the real color of red. So as you can see, it's looking like X. Okay, and we're gonna use background position. So sorry, background size, that would be 40 pixels. 40 pixels, that would be so many x value x in the our container box. Okay, I mean con class. Okay, then we're gonna use animation. That name would be animate 2 seconds. For animation duration, we're gonna use linear, and infinite time we're gonna use it. So first of all, we're gonna targeting keyframes. Okay, keyframes identifier. Okay, we're gonna give the name of the animation, that it animate in 0%. We're gonna use background size position, that would be BG position. I'm using amit because I don't know the real meanings of these things. So we're gonna copy this line. Then we're in 100%, the background position will be so in that background position would be 0 pixels. Okay, that's moving right to left. You can change any value like you want. So we're going to use a reflects. For that, in container class we're going to use webkit box reflect. Then we're going to use below, that's below our this. And for 2 pixels, 2 pixel is the gap, how much gap we're going to give. Then we're going to use linear gradient. Okay, that linear gradient would be transparent and black. Okay, not 90 degrees, transparent, and we're gonna use a comma, then we're gonna use black. Okay, that looks pretty cool. Okay, I changed some value that didn't look like good for me, so I should cut them. Okay, Okay, in animation, yes, I added some new animation, but I didn't like it, so I am not giving you that thing. So we're gonna cut these things, and we're gonna use same as what you added in before. That's just we added new two lines, that is hue rotate, filter, that is hue rotate 0 degree, and in 100% hue rotate that would be 360 degree. That change this the color for sometimes. Okay, we're gonna use height to 200 pixels. Then we're gonna use to 10%. We should use in 7% is too much, so we could use 10%. Okay, now it's looking like an animation and a reflection that the likes goes. So thanks for watching my video. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe.